And take a look what I just had delivered to me. I'm not sure if you can see that, but those are some hailstones that fell just outside of our studio, just a little larger than pea-size hail, currently from about 8th and Cimarron. Take a look right now from our Mugabug pest control camera, where you can see the heavy rain falling there too. And the storm system is continuing to take its toll right on the city of Colorado Springs. Here's a look at some of the video that you guys have submitted on Facebook, as well as some pictures. This one you can see it looks like it snowed there because of the hail that fell. This is a look in Manitou, where they have had some heavy rain. Also, hail really the big story. Obviously, that's the loudest thing that you'll hear associated with this storm, as it is not producing much lightning or thunder right now. We are continuing to track this cell. It has prompted the National Weather Service to issue a severe thunderstorm warning. That warning does include the city of Colorado Springs, Security, Widefield, Fort Carson, Peterson, all included in that warning. That will continue until 5:45. See how those circles on your screen? That's where we have had some large hail reports of about 1 inch in diameter. The largest hailstone that we have seen with this storm, at least reported, has been about 1.25 inches, so about $half size hail associated with this. The heaviest rain and the hail falling right over southeastern portions of the city, as well as eastern parts, or southwestern parts of the city, I'm sorry, and eastern parts of the city, right out near the airport. So that's where you notice those darker reds, the pinks. That's the heaviest rain. I want to point out something else that we're going to need to keep an eye on, and that is another cell that is off to the north and west of Colorado Springs, right around Woodland Park. This cell, it could impact the southern side of the burn scar, so we're going to need to monitor that. So we have a bit of an active afternoon setting up across southern Colorado. It's not going to last for long, though. You'll notice on Skycast we'll keep the storms around through the evening hours, and then into the first part of the night tonight, most everything is going to wind down. Tomorrow we are going to be tracking a much quieter day than we have out there today. We'll have plenty of sunshine through the first half of your Friday. During the afternoon, we'll get a few more clouds, and it's across the plains where we could get a sprinkle or two. Out near the Colorado-Kansas border, near the late afternoon and evening hours, that's when we could see some stronger storms capable of producing more hail and gusty winds, but that will be the exception rather than the rule. As we take you into tomorrow night, we should see everything for everybody drying out. Tomorrow will be much warmer than it was out there today. We're looking for 80s and 90s tomorrow rather than the 60s and 70s that we had today. So warmer, drier Friday. We're going to keep that trend heading right into the weekend. Saturday, we're staying dry, temperatures in the 80s. We will cool down into the 70s on Sunday. So Sunday right now looking to be the cooler of the 2 weekend days. Monday, Tuesday, we are back in the 80s. Next chance for storms moves in on Wednesday. In Pueblo, 92 degrees tomorrow. We'll hit 93 on Saturday. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s Sunday into Monday. 90s back on Tuesday, and we have a dry forecast here over the next 7 days in Pueblo. Canyon City, 90 degrees tomorrow and again on Saturday, so a couple of warm days for Fremont County. 82 degrees on Sunday. Monday, we are back in the 80s before 90s return on Tuesday. And in Teller County, we are going to see, obviously, a soggy day today. Tomorrow, though, much better. We'll have the clouds around during the afternoon. Temperatures, again, much warmer. 75 on Friday, 75 on Saturday. Sunday will be in the 60s with 70s back Monday, Tuesday. Next chance for storms around Teller County will be Wednesday with a 10% chance for storms and slightly cooler temperatures. And of course, we're tracking that storm that is moving over Colorado Springs right now. It is not capable of producing a tornado. The biggest threats with this storm is going to be the hail. So if you are in the path of that storm, bring the car in, because you don't want that outside and all that hail. You saw pea size here outside the studio, but in parts of town we have seen that 1.25 inch in diameter hail, which that can cause it.
I told everybody yesterday this is what we could expect, so we shouldn't be surprised.
It's here.
There we go. Thanks.
Thanks, Rachel. Well, check out this man in Florida snapping these great shots of a lightning show. You can see the bolts frozen across the purple sky as the storm passed through last night near Vero Beach.